Hello and welcome to Library Instruction Session for CCJ 2002, Law, Crime, and the Criminal Justice System. This is video 4, How to Find Just Books or Streaming Videos in the Library Catalog. My name is Lawrence Mello Jr. I'm a Research Instruction Librarian here at the library at Boca Campus, and you can reach me at lmello@fau.edu. Now let's go to the library's homepage and use the catalog, shall we? So again, here we are on the library's homepage. You'll see OneSearch. It's the default search engine it used in a previous video. A lot of results come back. Some of them were books. Again, if you're comfortable using OneSearch and seeing large results coming back and then narrowing it down to just an item or two that you want to find, by all means, take advantage of the OneSearch power that it provides. If you're looking for just books, I would say just jump into the catalog. That's what I do when I'm looking for just books. I'm going to click on Catalog, Library Catalog, and you'll notice it says Library Catalog here. I'm going to input my keywords. Again, here's our keywords from our topic on the death penalty. I'm going to hit the magnifying glass. Again, your searches in the catalog are going to be different than mine here because, again, based on your keywords, it'll pull different results. Based on the keywords that we inputted for this demonstration, it came back with 11 items. Much smaller than OneSearch, right? We don't have to filter out thousands of items. We're only looking at 11. So if you're looking for a physical book, if you're able to come into the library and check out a physical book, and again, all undergraduates have the access to check physical books out for up to 3 weeks at a time, you'll want to pay close attention to one, if it's available, because if it is available, it will say in green, available. If a book is lost or checked out, it will say unavailable, and then the reason why. And if it's checked out, there'll be a date when it is supposed to be returned. It'll tell you what campus it's on. That's very important. It will save you time when you realize that. I've had students in the past find a call number, go upstairs and spend 20, 30 minutes looking for a book, only to come down and work with me, and I realize, oh, this is at the Jupiter campus. So Boca campus, we know it's here. General collection means it can be checked out. We have other things like government documents, which have certain parameters on, and we have special collections, which their items cannot leave the library. But the most important thing is, once we know the book can be checked out, is the call number. That's the address or where the book is located on the shelf. So you'll see all call numbers in the academic library setting use the Library Congress number system. In this case, KF for criminal justice, the death penalty, subject area like this. So KF224, that's letting me know it's relatively in the beginning of the range of books in the KFs. And then it says point M37, M33, 2012. That call number, that entire call number should be on the spine of the book. So take a picture of this with your phone, write it down on a piece of paper, and you can go begin looking for a book. Oh, I forgot to mention, if you're not sure of where the book is actually in the library, ask someone at the service desk, and they'll gladly point you in the right direction. Usually with a bookmark that will explain all the different floors and what call numbers are on those floors. Once you find the book on the shelf, simply bring it down to either the service desk with your OWL card to check it out, or one of the two self-checkouts that we have in the library. One being on the first floor in the lobby, and the second one on the third floor, west side. So that's physical books. Again, physical books can be taken out of the library up to 3 weeks at a time for undergraduates. You'll notice number 3 is a Jupiter book. Now, while you can easily drive up to Jupiter if you're willing to, but if not, you can have it sent down to you at no cost to you using interlibrary loan. You just simply put the request in, they'll retrieve it from the Jupiter campus, ship it down to Boca, and you'll get notified when the book is in. You check it out for the same length of time, 3 weeks at a time, and when you are ready to return it in, you just simply return it at the Boca campus, and they'll ship it back to Jupiter. Another thing I want to point out is ebooks. So if I scroll down, it looks like we have one ebook in this search results, and it will know if it's an ebook because it'll say available online, or it'll say ebook. So in this case, I don't know if this book is useful to me in my research, but for demonstration purposes, I would click on Available Online. So it opens up the catalog record. And again, it looks just like the records in OneSearch when we looked at articles. Again, you'll go up to where it says View Online, and simply click on the first link if there's more than one link. In this case, Net Library at Florida Atlantic University. Page will open up. So our ebooks, unlike traditional commercial ebooks where you can download, from a platform onto your smart device, tablet, or phone, not all ebooks in the academic world can be downloaded. It depends on the database that provides it. Some can, some cannot. Some will allow you to print a chapter or a certain number of pages, some do not. But all of them will allow you to read the book online in the database itself. So again, here's the database. It's an EBSCOhost database that's housing this ebook. Have our title, have our description of what the book's about. But as you can see, there's no article, there's no book. So what do? The easiest thing to do is if you the table of contents, you can click on any of the chapters and it will take you right in there. Or you can just simply click on the PDF full text, and here's the book. Here's our different chapters. So I can click on, let's just jump down to chapter 2, Science and Law, Ideology and Inequality. And there we are, chapter 2. I can read the book just if I had a physical copy. I have my page numbers. If I so choose to have to cite something from it, I can give the page numbers in my citation. And then I have access to this book. The nice thing about ebooks is you can use it anywhere you have internet access. You don't have to come into the library to necessarily check them out. You just need to find in the catalog and then log in with your FAU ID, NetID credentials and access the book electronically. So that's the catalog in a nutshell. Again, if you're comfortable using OneSearch for books, take advantage of OneSearch. But if you really just want to find a book or two and you don't want to deal with all the overload of resources that OneSearch can provide you at times, simply jump in the catalog. It's that simple. I'll go back to the library's homepage again. Again, click on Library Catalog, and then you can begin by putting in your keywords, or if you have a title of a book, you can do a title search and begin there. So this is the end of video 4, how to find just books or streaming video in the library catalog. My name is Lawrence Mello Jr., and you can reach me at lmello@fau.edu.